Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lollipop chicken legs. This fun and flavorful preparation transforms ordinary drumsticks into an impressive dish, perfect for any gathering. We will go through each step, from preparing the drumsticks to cooking them to perfection. You will learn how to create a clean bone handle and a compact, meaty ball, making them incredibly easy to enjoy. Let's get started with the initial preparation. Now let's master the trimming process. Hold a drumstick firmly and use a sharp knife to carefully cut around the bone, about 1 inch above the joint. This creates a clean break. Next, scrape and push all the meat and skin down towards the thicker end, forming that signature lollipop shape. Finally, trim away any small bones, cartilage, or excess tendons from the exposed bone for a perfectly clean handle. This step is crucial for the final presentation. With your drumsticks prepped, it's time for flavor. Generously season them with your favorite dry rub, or let them marinate for at least 30 minutes for deeper taste. You have several cooking options. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Fry them until golden brown, or grill them over medium heat. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. To elevate your lollipop chicken legs, consider glazing them with a delicious barbecue sauce, a tangy buffalo sauce, or a sweet chili sauce during the last 10 minutes of cooking. This adds a fantastic layer of flavor and a beautiful sheen. For serving, arrange them upright on a platter to showcase their unique shape. These delightful and easy-to-eat chicken legs are perfect for parties or a fun family meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.